How to check call logs. This quick video will show you where to find your call logs and review them without any hassle. We are going to check the call logs in just 4 simple steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is selecting the FinTech bot agent. To check the call logs for a specific agent, let's start by finding the one you want to review from your agents list. Go ahead and click on the FinTech bot agent entry to open its options. The FinTech bot agent is now selected. Let's go to the next step, which is loading the agent call logs page to see every call this agent has handled. The platform will take a moment to fetch all the call data for this specific agent. Once the call logs page for the FinTech bot loads, you'll see every call this agent has handled. Scroll through the list to get a quick overview of phone numbers, call statuses, end reasons, sentiment, duration, and cost. The agent call logs page is now open, showing all recorded calls for the FinTech bot. Let's move on to playing call recordings so we can listen back to conversations and review exactly what was said during each call. To review what was actually said on a call, you can listen to its recording directly from the logs. Find the play icon next to the call you're interested in. Hit the play button to start the audio, and you can pause it anytime by clicking the pause icon right there. The call recording has been played successfully. Let's go to the next step, which is to explore the call details module, where we can view the full transcript and quality insights of the conversation. Beyond just the recording, you can dig into a full breakdown of any call. To explore the call details module, click on the document icon next to the call entry. This opens up the call details view, which is packed with useful insights. Scroll through to review everything from the basic call information and assignment details to the AI-generated summary, sentiment analysis, and recommended next steps. You'll also find lead information, the full transcript of the conversation, the call recording, and even the agent configuration used for this call. Once you're done reviewing, simply hit the close icon in the top right to return to your call logs. The call details module has given us a full breakdown of that single conversation. Let's go to the next step, which is navigating the call logs list to see how to move through all your call records efficiently. To get a better view of the call logs list, scroll back up the page so you can browse through all the recorded calls from the top. The call logs list is now visible. Let's go to the next step, which is applying filter options to narrow down the records and quickly find the specific calls you're looking for. To apply filter options, click in the area just above the call log table to reveal the filter panel. Here you'll find several ways to narrow down your call logs. You can filter by the call start date to focus on a specific time range, pick a status to see only certain call outcomes, use the call ended reason to understand why calls wrapped up, or choose a sentiment to review how customers felt during the conversations. The filtered call logs for the specific agent are now displayed. Let's go to the next step, which is opening the global call logs page, where we can view call records across all agents in one place. To open the global call logs page, start by hitting the back arrow to exit the current agent's view. This brings you back to the main agents page, where all your AI agents are listed. From here, jump into the call logs option in the left sidebar to see call records across every agent in one place. The global call logs page is now open, showing all your call records across every agent. Let's go to the next step, which is filtering the global call records to quickly narrow down the calls you want to review. To filter the global call records, take a moment to scroll through the table and get a feel for all the calls logged across every agent and campaign. Hit the filters button above the table to bring up the filtering options. You'll see a handy set of filters here. You can narrow things down by status if you're looking for calls with a specific outcome, pick a date range for a quick time-based view, or set custom start and end dates for precise reporting. There's also an agent filter to isolate calls from a single agent and a campaign filter to zoom in on a particular campaign's performance. Now that we've narrowed down the call records using filters, we have exactly the data we need. Let's go to the next step, which is exporting call data, so you can save these records as a CSV file for reporting or offline analysis. Once you've narrowed down the records you want, scroll back up to the top of the page where the main action buttons live. Hit the Export button in the top right to download your filtered call data. You'll see the progress indicator show you exactly how many records are being exported, so you can grab the file and analyze everything offline. And that's your call data exported and ready to go. You now know how to check call logs from start to finish. Catch you in the next one.